the traffic, close the gate. Wait, I've got a better plan to catch this big red lobster man. Let's pop him in a boiling pot, and when he's done, we'll butter him up. Kidnap the Santa Claus, throw him in a box. Bury him for 90 years, then see if he talks. But till then, I'm just Charlie, full of talk but no chocolate bars. Pleasant day when I had my say. Mr. Wonka will decree every candy shall be free. There'll be Wonka chocolates falling from the just enough to make you cry. Hear the whistle blowing. How to do has to be goodbye.
There might be some technical issues.
You can't stop progress. I'm doing it.
Mike, no.
It's like so many nowadays. Awfully modern disbelief.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Mike TV TV show.
For every child to put a better TV set with babysit.
Mr. Wonka, where is he?
I'm looking. There's so many channels.
Attention spans and run out now. There's only time for LOL.
The little people are singing again. That's never a good sign.
Never step outside to play. The world is marked by night and day.
He's jumping from screen to screen.
I think it's called channel hopping.
The skies are blue, the pinks, the green are only viewed on laptop screens.
Get him out of there.
I'm on TV. Look at me. Look at me.
Only move and exercise.
What's happened to him?
Their clicking finger and their thumb.
He's shocked to fit the screen.
Each razor overloads and dies.
Will he ever get back to normal?
As all their limbs are turning numb.
No one ever goes back to normal after they've been on television.
Idiots. They're just idiots. Age of innocence is gone. Certain sights are clicked upon. Images that they repeat. Once in the brain you can't delete. And they're like some barbaric Hun. Our toddlers all are backing gun. Your children curse and smoke cigars. Nurseries now have prison bars. They scream and rent and raise their